We heard from PACCAR yesterday, Jim, on some Q1 deliveries going to be impacted by about 3,000. I mean, the auto business seems to be dealing with it. We heard GM say it's not going to impact their numbers for the year.
Well, I do think that there's a possibility that and that was really quick. Mary Barr really toward the force that she did that. But I will say that this is actually solvable. I think you're going to hear this, the auto part, I think will be solvable by Q3. They'll get that done. It's just that there's just a never-ending demand. I wonder if when people start coming back to the office, when you have to no longer have to build home offices, there could be some let-up. But Carl, right now, it's just extraordinary demand. Extraordinary.
Yeah. There's the S&P 500, and a look at the opening bell on this first day of April at the big board celebrating an IPO. It's real estate brokerage Compass. Congratulations to them. And over at the NASDAQ, it's also an IPO. Frontier Airlines, Jim, as we're starting to see more entrants in the aviation space.
Well, Phil LeBeau has been talking about the strength of the numbers. I know that our guest is going to be on soon, Adam Aaron. I know from a mutual friend of ours, Jeff Sonnenfeld. They're taking a plane this weekend. I told Jeff, listen, every seat will be filled. They're going to Florida. Every seat. I mean, it is like, this is an extremely filled plane, and you can't put your bags. I mean, you're starting to hear that same language. And 3 months ago, you did not hear that. I think that there are many airlines that need more planes. And I think it's going to surprise you. I think that people are going to travel like mad. I don't even care about the business traveler. I know the business traveler flies up front. But I think that this is, when you ask people what they're going to do when they got their vaccine, they want to go somewhere. Obviously, they want to go to Disney World. The numbers were just okay for Disney World. But I do think that it's just it's going to be an obsession to travel. Obsession. And by the way, I think, Carl, when Europe opens up, and it will open up, I think they'll come here. I think that there'll be tourism, even though the dollar is very strong. So I'm very bullish on tourism. By the way, remember Adam Aaron, we're going to have one from him at AMC. He ran Starwood. He ran Vail. There's so much to talk to him about. But boy, did he ever understand the consumer of good times. And he'll be a delight, as he always is.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.